Hello there, Claire Kennedy here and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm a mixed media artist based in Glasgow, Scotland. I say mixed media, really I mainly mean two media. I love photography and I love paint and I love mixing them together. I always loved taking photographs right since I was a teenager really, especially black and white photography. And around 12 or so years ago, when my children were very young, I took up painting. Mostly a sort of a layered, textured approach using acrylic paints. But when I realised that you could mix the two together, that's when I became really hooked. I just love that contrast between the sort of textured layers of paint, brush strokes and spatters and glazings, and the contrast of that with the sort of crispness of a black and white photographic image, I find really compelling. And the fact that you can really seamlessly blend the two, that really excited me. And it still excites me, actually. There are various ways various techniques you can do to achieve this, like transferring or digital printing or acrylic skins. More recently, I've been experimenting using monoprint, using the gel plate. So over the years, I've experimented with all these processes, a lot of trial and error, a lot of things that just didn't work at all, but a lot of things that did work. And I've built on those processes, built on that experience, perfected it, and I look forward to sharing some of those techniques with you here. So if you are starting out and you want to learn some techniques of how to build up rich, textured surfaces using acrylic paint, and also if you'd like to combine your photography into your paintings, then you've come to the right place. So if you're interested, please just hit the subscribe button and I hope to see you again soon. Bye for now.